Hi, my name's Glenys Phillips, and for over a decade now, I've been helping people take control of their financial future. When it comes to managing your money, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Where do you start, and how do you know if you're on the right track? Guessing really isn't a great strategy when it comes to these things. To secure your future, you need a plan, one that works specifically for you and is easy to follow. People tend to think financial planning is about creating budgets, but the truth is it's about understanding the future. It's about seeing how your income, savings and investments all work together. That said, a plan is only as good as the knowledge it's built on, which is why financial literacy is so important. The ability to understand and effectively use everything from budgeting and debt management to investing and retirement planning. That's why I created Financial Mappers. It's a software platform for people just like you, the do-it-yourself investor. It takes the complexity out of the whole process. With our free version, you can create a 5-year financial plan, generate 5 essential reports, and gain access to a full financial literacy program. It's a great way to start your journey, learn the essentials, and see for yourself what a difference having a plan can make. You wouldn't build a house without a plan, and you shouldn't build a financial future without one either. Head over to our website and get your free copy of Financial Mappers today.